Hello student, myself Minal Pawar. Today we are going to learn subject physics, 8 number topic electrostatics. Now today we will see what is meant by dielectric and electric polarization. Last lecture we have seen that electric potential energy due to electric dipole. Now today we are going to learn dielectrics and electric polarization. Now the dielectrics are insulators that insulate, which can use store the electric energy. Dielectric means insulated, store electric energy, store electric energy. That is one types of the dielectrics. This is because the such substances are placed in external electric field. If substances are placed in external electric field, their positively charged protons and the negatively charged electrons. The positively charged protons and negatively charged electrons, when it is placed in external electric field, these positively charged protons and negatively charged electrons get displaced in opposite directions and the molecules develop the net dipole moments. This displace, if there is positively charged like this, there will atoms, this positive and negative charged, that is displaced from that opposite direction, so there is produced the net dipole moment. They produce the net dipole moments is produced due to when external electric field is applied due to the substance. That substance shows the net dipole moments. That develop the net dipole moment is called polarization. When positively charged protons and the negatively charged electrons, there is when external field is applied. The external field is applied to these positively charged protons and negatively charged electron. These two charge, that is positive and negative charge, displaced in opposite directions, there is net dipole moment produced. There is known as electric polarization. That polarization is electric polarization of materials, and such materials are called dielectrics. Which material produce the polarization? That materials is called dielectrics. Means that separation of positively and negatively charged when external field is applied. That substance shows the net dipole moment is called polarization. Those materials showing this polarization is known as dielectrics. That substance is known as the dielectrics. Now, if there are atoms, every atom there is positively charged protons and negatively charged electrons surrounding it. You know, this positively charged atoms having positively charged protons and the negatively charged electron surrounding. There is positively charged protons and the negatively charged electrons are surrounding there. If the center of positive charged nucleus, this nucleus, there is atom consists of positively charged protons and negatively charged electron. These two oppositely charged having that is own center. The center of the positive charge due to the positively charged protons, the center of the negative charge due to the negative charged proton. There is center of mass of positively charged proton and negatively charged electrons. If the dielectrics are insulating materials, dielectrics are one types of insulating and non-conducting materials. The dielectrics are insulating and non-conducting materials, insulating and the non-conducting materials. The dielectrics is one types of insulating and non-conducting materials. For example, that which can be polarized through the small displacement, which can be polarized. Polarization means in external field applied to this that dielectrics material, they are showing the net dipole moment is known as polarization. Those materials showing this dipole moment is known as that is dielectric. For example, glass, wax, water, wood, paper, rubber. These are the examples of the some dielectrics. Now let me see, the dielectrics are classified into two types. there are dielectrics are classified into two types: polar dielectrics, the polar dielectrics, and non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics. The dielectrics are classified into two types: the polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. They are classified into two types. Now, what is meant by the polar dielectrics? The molecule in which the center of mass of positively charged protons, which does not coincide with center of mass of negatively charged electrons, is known as polar dielectrics. The molecule in which, once again see, the molecule in which the center of mass of positively charged protons which do not coincide with the center of mass of negatively charged electron is known as polar dielectrics. Do not coincide with the center of mass of negatively charged electrons. That is, negatively charged electrons. Here in this exam there will be asking question in this article, the differentiate between polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. And one more types of question also there will be: explain the types of dielectrics. There are two types of the dielectrics: polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. Now, the molecule in which center of mass of positively charged protons do not coincide with the negatively charged electron is known as polar dielectrics. The center here non-dielectrics means the center of mass of a molecule in which the center of mass of positively charged protons, the positively charged protons which coincide with negatively charged electron is known as non-polar dielectrics. There polar dielectrics are, there is asymmetric shapes. Polar dielectrics are asymmetric shape of molecules, and here the symmetric shapes of molecules. Here the symmetric shapes of molecules. In polar molecules have permanent dipole moment. Here not permanent dipole moment, temporary dipole moments. Here there are zero dipole moment. We can say there are zero dipole moment. Here, and their dipole moment is order of 10 raised to minus 30 centimeter. Dipole moment. There are these the dielectrics likes. There are some examples of polar molecules are there: HCl, water, alcohol, NH3. These are the example of polar dielectrics. The some example of non-polar dielectrics are there. They are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, benzene. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, benzene. These are the example of non-polar dielectrics. That structure of polar dielectrics are there. Here that we can draw polar dielectrics like this. There, and we can draw polar dielectrics are, non-polar dielectrics are like this. These are non-polar dielectrics. For example, here is, we can see there are two examples how to draw the symmetry of this example polar dielectrics. See here H, and here Cl, here H and here Cl, there P, HCl and P, polar dielectric here. Here H2O, H2O, H, here O, here H, H, and the polarization electric dipole here. P is electric dipole moments. Here is permanent electric dipole moment. And now here example of non-polar dielectrics are there. H2 and CO2. H2 we can draw here. H2 we can draw here. H and CO2 we can draw here. Like this. There is zero dipole moments. Non-polar dielectrics, there are zero dipole moments. These are the difference between polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. Now, next article is how the polarization of non-polar dielectrics in an external electric field. How the polarization due to the external electric field. How the polarization applied in external. The polarization due to external electric field. External electric field. External field due to which molecules? Non-polar dielectrics. First of all we see non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics. Now non-polar dielectrics, there is like this, there will be when absence of external field. When absence of external field. Absence of electric field. Absence of electric field, and due to the presence of electric field. Due to the presence of electric field, due to presence of electric field in non-polar dielectrics. In presence of external electric field, the center of positive charge and center of positive and center of negative charge, each of the non-polar dielectrics molecules, there is when external field is applied to the non-polar dielectric molecules, the center of positive and negative charged molecules which are displaced through the in opposite direction. The center of negative charge is displaced through here, positive charge is displaced through here. When absence of external field, there will be like this condition is, there is no any displacement. When any external field is applied due to the non-polar dielectrics, the positive and negative charge is displaced through the opposite direction. Therefore, the two center of positive negative charge get separated. Because of there is restoring force is produced there. Because of their restoring force between these two molecules. When external field is applied, there will be separation of these positive and negative charges. That each molecules having the tiny dipole moments. Each molecule produce the tiny dipole moments, and these molecules in presence of external field produce the net electric dipole. When absence of external field is that this condition there will be same as like this. When external field is applied to the non-polar molecule, the center of positive negative charge, the separation of the charges. These negative charges that is displaced through here, positive charge is displaced through here, due to there is displacement of produced here, there will be produced the net dipole moment. There will be produced the net dipole moment in this due to their polar dielectric molecules which are produced in polar dielectric molecules, same as it is non-polar molecules, same as it is now we see non-polar, now we will see polar molecules. The polarization due to the polar molecules, polar dielectrics. There is when absence of external field, there is then absence of external field, absence of external field due to polar molecules, that polar molecule shapes, now we have to know like these shapes, these asymmetric shapes, that asymmetric shapes is there when presence of external field due to the polar molecules, presence of external field due to the polar molecules, the presence of external field, the presence of external field due to polar molecules. Now here when the polarization due to the, what is mean by polarization? When the separation of positive negative charges when external field is applied, there is this positive and negatively charged separated. The molecules of polar molecules, they are having the permanent dipole moments, which are having permanent dipole moment due to the thermal process. Due to thermal process, in absence of external magnetic field, thermal agitation means heat is given. When heat is given to these polar molecules, because polar molecules having the permanent dipole moments due to thermal agitation, in absence of external electric field, that the dipole moments, these polar molecules randomly oriented, these polar molecules is not aligned in same direction, these are randomly oriented in absence of external field because of thermal agiations. Now the total dipole moment in this case is 0. There is total dipole moment is 0 when the external field is applied here. When external field is applied due to the polar molecules here, there resultant the dipole momentum produce. There are these polar molecules aligned in same direction. This alignment here, that alignment is same direction. So these alignments showing the net electric dipole moments when presence of external fields. The presence of external field, there is get polarized. The applying external electric fields tends to align with the electric field. That thermal agitation, there are randomized alignments of dipole due to the polar molecules here. Due to the polar molecules, absence of external field, these molecules are randomly oriented. Presence of external molecule field, external field, they are aligned in same direction. Now polarization strong in presence of strong electric field. Now both the polar and non-polar molecules having their in applying external electric field, they are showing the net dipole moment. Net dipole moment. Now what is meant by actual definition of polarization? The net dipole moment per unit volume. The net dipole moment per unit volume is called electric polarization. Is called polarization, is denoted by letter P. Denoted by letter P. For that symbolically we can write Because of external electric field, there will be polarization. So P is equal to psi E. Psi is susceptibility of. Psi is the electric susceptibility of dielectric medium. Electric susceptibility of dielectric medium. Now electric polarization means the net dipole moment per unit volume. The mathematically we can write vector P is equal to psi into E. Because of applying external electric field, there will be polarization. The psi E is electric susceptibility of dielectric material. Electric susceptibility of dielectric material. The value of electric susceptibility is different from different dielectrics. The different from different dielectrics having the value is different. The susceptibility. Now next article will be here, reduction of electric field due to the polarization of dielectrics. The reduction of electric field due to polarization of dielectrics. Due to polarization of dielectrics. Polarization of dielectrics. Now let me draw diagram here. Now already we have seen how the polarization producing non-polar molecules and polar molecules. Now here we have to apply the reduction of polarization of dielectrics molecules. Due to we are using here, when dielectric placed in external electric field, this used for non-polar molecules here. Non-polar molecules. Polar molecules. Sorry, here we have to use that. First of all, we have to use here polar or non-polar molecules when here applying here non-polar dielectrics. We have to use here non-polars. We have to, now we are going to draw diagram here positive, here applying electric field, here applying electric field. Then one more diagram is drawn here. In between here negative, and positive charges. Here is by the reduction, here we get that negative charge. Here applying external field. Here is applying electric field is here due to. Now one more is diagram is here, positive here, and center was is here negative here, and here E. Both the side having same direction is here. Sorry. Now here is 3 diagram. When the dielectric placed in uniform electric field, when the dielectrics, this one is dielectrics. Which one dielectric have to use here? Non-polar dielectrics placed in uniform electric field. There, when uniform electric field inside the dielectrics, here is uniform electric field is produced inside the dielectric. Consider the rectangular electric slab. This one is rectangular electric slab placed in external electric field. Here is positive and negative charge. The separation of positive and negative charges. When external field is acting on these electric slabs, this external field is due to the parallel. Since their electric charges are not free to move, when external electric field applying to these electric slabs, there these positive and negative charges are there. Resultant of alignment of dipole, there is positive charges. There is separation of the charges get because of applying external field. This non-polar dielectric molecule due to the getting separation. The separation of the charges. When positive charge produced on the here, where positive charge is produced the right side of the dielectric slabs. When applying external electric field, this positive charge is produced the right sides of the here dielectric slabs. The negative charge is produced on the left sides of the dielectric slabs. Positive charge produced on the right sides of the dielectric slabs and negative charge produced on the left sides of the dielectric slab. These two sheets of induced surface charges. Both of these sheets produce the positive and negative charge is known as induced charges. There are, because of induction, there will be positive and negative charges produced on the right side and the left side of the dielectric slab. These two sheets, the induced surface charges produce electric field E0. This is produce the electric field E0 inside here. Because of this electric field E0, there will be produced the positive charge on the right side, negative charge on the left sides of the dielectric slabs. Because of this positive and negative charge, there is produced the external electric field E0. External electric field E0. External electric field E0, and here is applying electric field is E is here. Therefore, external electric field is applying here. Because of this external electric field, there is positive charge produced on the right side of the dielectric slab, the negative charge produced on the left side of the dielectric slabs. There will be inside there is the vector sum of, because of electric field, there is polarization is produced. Polarization is the separation of positive negative charges. That net polarization, the net polarization of the field. The polarization field is E0 and applied field is E. Therefore, E dash is equal to E minus E0. E dash is equal to E minus E0. That is the reduction of due to polarization of dielectric material. One more article we will see now. There will be here. The capacitance of parallel plate capacitors here. The capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. That here, what is mean by capacitor? Only one we will see now, only capacitors. Then there we will be stop. Capacitor C is equal to Q upon V. Briefly we can see in next lecture what is mean by capacitor and how to apply the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Today we have seen what is mean by dielectrics, electric polarization, the types of dielectric, polar dielectrics, non-polar dielectrics, how the polarization applied due to the polar dielectrics, non-polar dielectrics, and how the reduction of polarization due to the dielectric medium. So thank you very much.